What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another day in the vlog. I don't know if you can tell, but you probably can. It is raining. It's supposed to rain like all day. It's like ice, and I think it's supposed to do like an icy, snowy mix. So that should be fun. Anyways, me and Mel are gonna go to the store and get some stuff to make some chicken parm. Some fresh chicken parm. She's up here. Yeah, we're making some fresh chicken parm. So, here's. Oh wow, is that a baby bump? Is that a baby bump? Are you pregnant?
Yeah.
Yeah, every vlog. So, ready for that chicken parm?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a homemade. She's gonna make a homemade sauce. We're gonna do homemade noodles, and get the chicken, bread it, whatever we do. So we'll be all homemade, which is good. She makes a good sauce. She has a bunch of good sauces. I don't know which my favorite one is because it depends on the dish. The dish. Yeah. So the sauce he did make with the rabbit was good. And that one maybe good with the parm. It almost tasted like a parm sauce, but of course, whatever. I don't know what you're gonna do. What tricks you have up your sleeves? You probably never did it before. That's kidding.
I did what before? I made chicken parm for you before.
Yeah, it was horrible.
No.
But yeah, we're gonna go to the store, get some grub. It's gonna be fun. And of course, the noodles aren't too crazy to make.
Yeah.
But
Won't take too long.
here we go. Excuse me, Pegasaurus. I mean, Melissa. So we got fresh tomatoes. We got some lettuce, cucumbers, and croutons. And this is just other stuff for some more flour. We got the chicken. Listen, just because you're pregnant doesn't mean you could be sleeping on the job. Hey, take a nap right now. Right now. What's up? Mel, here. Let me get that.
Yeah, I'll just have been.
Oh, yeah. Just like a baby you are. Bread for Italian. For garlic. Alright, we're leaving Harvest Fair. We got the fresh bakes. And we'll probably cook it later for dinner. Oh, well, what do we have here? Looks like Mel's getting the cooking. Wow!
Alright, that's gonna sit here.
I was working on the batter. Got some seasonings in there. Just flatten out some chicken.
Well, it should be pretty good.
Got a fat piece.
Jeez.
Oh. You did. Wow, look at you go.
This is gonna be. Feel how soft this is now, compared to the last time we.
Oh wow. I was whipping up some garlic bread, and she ended up hand cutting the pasta. Yeah, look at that. All right, here we have it. And here's the homemade, or the garlic bread. Wow. What say you?
Really
Try that chicken. Oh, look at that. All right, so as you guys can see, we like to do fake react. I'm just kidding. Apparently my camera died or whatever. We're on the phone.
It was worth all that work.
All right. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the vlog. Food was delicious. I did a good job. I did stream over on Twitch. Master Mooo 45 did the VR test stream with the Oculus. It was a lot of fun. Did some Beat Saber. Did some Vader Immortals and Resident Evil. So I'll probably start doing Resident Evil 4 streams, VR. Love that game. Probably my favorite Resident Evil game. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys are well. See you guys around.